We start with developing news involving a mask policy for Knox County Schools. School bus drivers nearly threatened to suspend services. At first, they planned to park buses Monday morning in protest of the federal order for all students and staff to wear masks. But 10 News reporter Caitlin Keenahan spoke with a driver about those frustrations.
Tammy Williams, a 32-year bus driver for Knox County Schools, thought it would be a quiet Friday evening.
And our phones started ringing from bus drivers to fellow contractors.
A federal judge issued an order that a mask mandate must be enforced in KCS for all students and staff.
Well, wherein lies the problem is school buses are contracted. So technically, a driver is not a true employee of Knox County Schools.
Drivers had a meeting this morning.
To be honest, at first, we wanted to park the buses Monday morning.
But they decided against it.
We don't want that. We want our kids to be safe. So that was when we came to the decision that we would run, but we want people to know that we do have concerns.
The worry is multitasking with driving and having to hold students accountable.
You can ask over and over again, and that's all we can do.
Knox County Schools says we're not asking them to do anything different than they did last year. On September 25th, 2020, there were 67 active student cases of COVID-19. Now, September 25th, 2021, there's 297 active student cases. That's a 22% increase.
I see people's view. I agree with some that want to wear it, but I think it comes down to our personal, and I think it should be your choice.
The biggest concern is that the bus driver shortage could get worse.
We're already down 50 drivers, and I can count between the phone calls from last night to today, we would probably be down another 50 drivers if they have to wear a mask.
In Knoxville, I'm Caitlin Keenahan.
The drivers will still be running bus routes on Monday, despite what was discussed in the meeting, but they said they're waiting for more clarification on the federal order to see what steps to take next.